Okay, when teaching this little ditty here, you have to preface it by saying, except for parents and doctors. And then you go into it. In a world of rules and guides, off limits, our body parts, the bathing suit hides. And they are going to love it. They're going to want to say it over and over. I've tried it on all my little nanny kids, my grandkids. They'll love it.